Hello and welcome to Oclef Kinder. I'm Mr. Piano. Today we're going to look at the elf's silver hammer. First of all, notice that both hands are written in treble clef. Do you see this red arrow? So left hand is also in treble clef. Now let's look at our hand position first. Our right hand thumb is going to be on treble C. This is middle C. With your right hand, I want you to play 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very good. Let's find where your left hand goes. Left hand thumb goes on G above middle C. And 5, your pinky, is on middle C. In the left hand, play 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very good. Can you play 1 and 5 together in the left hand? Very nice. In the right hand, it says 3 is on which note? That's right, E. 3 is on E. Right hand 3. So we play that 4 times. Can you play that 4 times? Very good. Can you play 3, 4, 5, 3, 2? Good. And that's 3, 4, 5. Skipping back down to 3 and stepping down to 2. Let's play this again from the beginning. Just the right hand. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 4, 5, 3, 2. Now when we get to 2, we're going to play this 4 times. 2, 2, 2, 2, and then step down to 1. Let's play that measure again. 2, 2, 2, 2, 1. So we're stepping down to 1. At the same time, we play 2 in the left hand. 4 times, stepping down to 3. Can you play that? 2, 2, 2, 2, 3. Very good. Now play both 2s. Left hand 2 on F, right hand 2 on D. Together, 4 times. 2, 2, 2, stepping down. Yes, and both hands step down. Very nice. Let's play that first line together. Both hands. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 4, 5, 3, 2, 2, 2, 2, 3. Very good. Can you play that one more time? And make sure to have rests in the left hand here. So we're not playing anything on beat 2 or in the second measure. Let's start again. First line. Very good. Let's look at the second line. In the second line, we play both 1, both 2s together 3 times. Can you play that again? Very good. Now we're going to play 1 and 3, both 1s and 3s. Very nice. Can you play that again? Both 1s and 4s, 1s and 3s, 2s. So if we look closely, we can see that the right hand top note is stepping up each time. 1 and 2, 1 and 3, 1 and 4, back to 1 and 3, stepping down. And the bottom note stays the same. Always C. Same thing with the left hand. We have 1 and 2, 2 steps down to 3, 3 steps down to 4, and back up to 3, and back up to 2, while G, left hand thumb, stays the same. Let's play that line again. Very good. In the third line, it looks the same as the beginning. The last measure is different. 3, 4, 5, 3, both twos. 1 and 3. And then we step up to 2 in the right hand and the left hand. So that last measure, we have 1, stepping up to 2, and 3, also stepping up to left hand 2. Let's try just these last 2 measures in the third line together. Very good. In the last line, I'm going to go over the right hand first. It says 3 on E. So 3 is on E for how many beats? 2 beats. Very good. So we hold 3 for 2 beats. 1, 2. And then we play 3, 3, 3. Now, what does 8VA mean? It says to lift. So we lift and place 3 an octave higher. So we were here. And now we will go an octave higher. And one more. So in the last line, we play 3, hold for 2, 3, 3, 3, lift and place an octave higher, 3, 3, 3, lift and play 1 E, an octave higher. At the same time, in measure 13, we hold the left hand for 3 measures for a total of 6 beats. You see this? 1 and 5 together. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, off. Very good. Let's put that with the right hand. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, off. Very nice. Let's try the whole thing from the beginning. Repeat. And measure 5. One to both twos. Hold for 2. 1 and 2, an octave higher. And off. When practicing the elf's silver hammer at home, follow these practice strategies. Maintain a steady hand position in our C 5-finger scale. Keep your eyes on the music. Start slowly and then build up speed. Practice in sections like we did. The first line, the second line, the third line, and then the fourth line. I look forward to seeing you next time. Happy practicing.